Hey there, Prairie Plant Girl here. Today I'm out in the garden and I thought I'd bring you along. I think I have some tomatoes that are ready to harvest. So we're gonna get in here and grab a couple of tomatoes that are ripe and laying on the ground and need to get picked. And a little bit of cilantro and some hot peppers and maybe an onion, and maybe I'll be able to make up myself a little salsa for later, nice fresh salsa. And then my main goal today is I need to get a couple of big cabbage, I have some big gunma cabbage growing, and I like to use those for cabbage rolls, and they're big and they're ready, and I want to get them picked and actually put them in my freezer and freeze the heads, and then when I make cabbage rolls, the leaves peel really easily, and it just makes them a lot simpler to use, in my opinion, when I'm making cabbage rolls. So that's the couple of things I want to get done here, and I thought I'd bring you along. So let's have a look at these tomatoes. I haven't dug around in them, but they look like they're ripe and ready, so hopefully they are. And we'll get some things picked. The tomatoes have gotten a little out of control. I didn't realize, but I guess I neglected my pruning when I was away, and I just never got back on track. So got some crazy stuff going on here. Let's get some of this picked. We've got a lot of branches with a lot of tomatoes on them, and I just have been letting them grow down here. Don't really know what's going on with the growth of that plant, but that's a San Marzano, and you can see this clump here has some nice tomatoes on it. So I'm gonna pick these. They're beautiful. The onions aren't doing much, but I don't expect them to get huge. They're in here shaded by the tomatoes, but a nice little bit of onion. And let's go over to the other bed and get some herbs and peppers. So right in here, there's a bunch of Hungarian hot wax, and they are well past time to cut them. This zinnia really wants to be the star of the show here. So, I don't know if you can even see them in here, but I should have brought snips. I'm not sure why. I guess I grabbed these because I'm doing the cabbage, but so these are very nice and bright and red. Quite hot and flavorful, I'm sure. I'm just gonna cut any that are showing color, and I can cut up and freeze what I don't use. But that'll get them off the plant and encourage the plant to grow more. If we head down here, there's some jalapenos, and just stake those zinnias up. They're going crazy this year. Just thought I'd grab maybe one. This is a mild jalapeno, so it'll be nice just to add some flavor. And let's go around and see if we have any just bell peppers. Here's a nice, this is an early prolific. If I can find there we go. It's a nice pepper. And then we have right here some cilantro. So let's get a bit of that. That'll be lovely. So there's a nice little basket with just the right ingredients to make a nice little salsa. So be able to do that later today. So now let's go get those cabbage. So here's the cabbage bed. You see over there is where there's a bit more cabbage, broccoli and cauliflower. This bed here is full of cabbage and a little bit of parsnips, and down at the end is some just absolutely gorgeous gunma cabbage heads. So I have 2, which usually makes me a really nice batch of cabbage. So I'm going to take those. That gorgeous. All right, so there's our haul for today. That's pretty nice. Those nice big cabbage there, they're way bigger than my head. Great for nice cabbage rolls. Nice little basket of salsa supplies. And I cleaned out some old tattered leaves and things out of the cabbage bed while I was in there, and picked up a couple of apples that had fallen off the apple tree that's right there. So I'll get that stuff there into the compost, and I'll clean these cabbage up a bit too and put the extra leaves into the compost. Then they'll just have a quick trip into the freezer. I don't do anything special with them. I'll rinse off any cobwebs or whatever and put them right into the deep freeze to wait for cabbage roll day. And then these will go, they'll get a nice cool rinse, everything but the onions, and that'll help them just stay nice and fresh until tonight when I make a salsa. So thanks for coming along with me today in my garden to do a quick little harvest. Doesn't take long to get a real nice amount of food to feed your family, and it's nice to know I've grown it all myself. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.